Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you, outdoor flower stand design ideas that will transform your outdoor space into stunning floral showcase. Whether you have a small balcony and a spacious garden, there's something for everyone in today's video. Let's kick things off with a vertical garden flower stand. This design is perfect for those with limited space. You can hang different types of flowers and plant vertically, creating a beautiful cascades of color and textures. Next up, we have a rustic wooden flower stand. This design adds a charming touch to any outdoor area. You can paint it in vibrant colors or leave it natural for a more rustic look. It's a great way to showcase your favorite potted plant. For a whimsical and space-saving option, consider a hanging basket flower stand. You can hang multiple baskets of different heights, creating a dynamic and eco and eye-catchy display. This design works well for both flowers and trailing vines. If you love variety, a tiered flower stand is a fantastic choice. You can arrange different types of flowers and plant on each tier, creating a visual appealing arrangements. It's like having a mini garden in our stand. For those who prefer a modern and minimalist look, a metal flower stand is a perfect fit. Its sleek design allows to flower to take center stage, adding elegance to any outdoor space. You can choose from different metal finishes to match your style. Another fantastic option is a hanging planters flower stand. You can mix and match different type of planters from terracotta pot to colorful ceramic ones and hang them at varying heights. These create a lively and dynamic display that add a touch of whimsy to your outdoor area. For those who love dye project, consider repurposing an old leather into a flower stand. Simply add shelves or hooks to the ladder step and place your potted plants on them. It's creative and eco-friendly way to showcase your green thumb. If you want to add a touch of nostalgia to your outdoor space, a wheelbarrow flower stand is a charming choice. Fill the wheelbarrow with potted soil and plant your favorite flower directly in it. You can even move it around to change up your garden's look. For a whimsical and enchanting vibe, creating a fairy garden flower stand, use miniature accessories like fairy houses and tiny figurines to create a magical scene among your flowers. It's a delightful way to add a storybook feel to your garden. Thank you for joining me today as we explore these creative and inspiring outdoor flower stand design. We hope you feel inspired to revamp your outdoor space with these ideas. Don't forget to share your creation with us in comments below. Like, share and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy gardening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.